Today, let me see if I can share with you exactly how to make money from property in less than 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Tony Law from thefirst4houses.com, and my channel is all about helping you replace a job-based income with just a handful of investment properties so that you can give up the day job if you wish and go and do something more interesting with your life. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of the free content that I give you each and every week. So the truth is, I hear a lot of people talking about how difficult it is to get going in property investing. I hear that a lot. I hear it a lot from other trainers, to be perfectly honest with you. They kind of make out that it's a little bit more difficult than in reality it is. It's not difficult to build a property portfolio and become financially free. If I can do it, anybody can do it. But there are, I would suggest, 9 core things that you really need to focus on, and I'm going to run you through all of those now. The first of which is probably the most difficult, and it is that you need to focus on strategy first. You need to, from day one, ideally, get really clear on what is the best strategy for you, and if I can help you in that regard, go ahead and book yourself a coaching call. Strategy has to come before everything else because you need to be clear on exactly what it is that you're focusing on. The second tip is to then go out and find your gold mine area. Now, you have to analyze lots of different areas to find your gold mine area, but it's really not that difficult to do. You can absolutely do this. But gold mine area comes after strategy first because your gold mine area has to align with your strategy once you're clear on what that is. The next step is to go out there and start generating leads. Now, there's a whole world of different ways that you can generate highly qualified leads, probably from truly motivated sellers. And in my online property masterclass program, we talk about this a lot, but it's really, again, not that difficult to do. You just need to go out there and start generating leads. I don't know, Facebook advertising, leafleting, talking to agents, direct to seller marketing, etc, etc, etc. You need to start to get this pipeline of leads coming through to you. The next thing you need to focus on is running the numbers. You've got to get good at analysing deals. And the only way you're going to do that is if you consistently run the numbers, run the numbers, run the numbers. If you do this, you'll find that suddenly, out of the blue, a cracking deal will pop up in front of you, but you won't recognise it unless you're really good at running the numbers. The next thing is to simply start making offers. Now, this is the bit that people start to make excuses about. Oh no, there's got to be something wrong with it. But if the deal stacks up, if the numbers stack up, you've got to start making offers. If you're really worried about a deal, by the way, book a call with me and I'll tell you whether you should be buying it. I do that quite a lot, actually. But either way, you've got to start making numbers. And you know what? You're going to get rejected a lot. And that's okay. In fact, if you're getting offers accepted too much, I'd suggest you're probably offering too much money. You're going to get a lot of rejections. That's okay, because you've got more deals coming down the pipeline. My 6th point is to simply be really persistent. Or maybe consistent is maybe a better word, but you've got to do this every single week without fail. You've got to carve out some time every single week without fail. The 7th one is to simply go out there and buy the property. Hopefully that's the relatively easy bit. The 8th thing is you've got to, what I refer to as repeat plus 10%. What do I actually mean by that? Well, I mean, I don't necessarily want you to go and buy exactly the same thing again. I want you to slightly up your game. Go and look for something that's going to push you just that little bit further. Hence, repeat plus 10%. The 9th one is to enjoy life. Look after your health, go out there and enjoy life, because this is why we're building a property portfolio. This is not difficult. I promise you, you can do it. There is no secret golden nugget that nobody's telling you that you can only buy on a 30, 40, 50,000 pound course. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. And if I can be of any help in that regard, please reach out to me. I'd be delighted to help.